In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to manage envelopes 5 minutes. Think of envelopes as the containers that hold your documents, recipients, and signing workflow. We'll walk through where to find them, how to filter and track progress, and what to do when you need to fix, cancel, or nudge an envelope along. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, head to the Agreements tab. This is your central hub for every envelope you've created or that's been shared with you. You'll see a list of envelopes with key details like subject, status, and last update, so you can immediately spot what needs attention. On the left-hand panel, use the filters to narrow things down. Drafts are envelopes you've started but haven't sent yet. Waiting for others shows envelopes that are out for signatures from someone else. Needs to sign is where you're the next signer. Completed stores finished, fully executed envelopes. Use these views to prioritize your day and combine them with search if you know a subject line or recipient. If your organization uses shared access, pick the appropriate user from the shared access list to view and manage their envelopes. This is ideal for coverage during vacations or when supporting teammates. Only users with proper authorization will appear, so if you don't see someone, check with your admin rather than trying to work around permissions. From the main dashboard, keep an eye on envelope status to track progress in real time. You can quickly see who has signed and who is still pending, which helps you follow up at the right moment and avoid bottlenecks. When an in-process envelope contains a mistake, like a typo in an email address or a missing field, use the correct option. This lets you fix settings, recipients, or fields without starting over. Be aware that recipients may get updated notifications, and the signing flow can pause while you make changes. If an envelope was sent in error or is no longer needed, choose Void. Voiding cancels the envelope and prevents any further action. Recipients are notified, and you'll typically add a short reason so it's clear why the process stopped. Void is final, so use it thoughtfully. To prompt signers who haven't acted, use Resend to send a reminder email. You can include a brief, polite message and time your reminders so they're helpful, not spammy. Finally, to review activity, open an envelope and select details to view its full history. You'll see a time-stamped audit trail of sends, views, corrections, and signatures, which is essential for compliance and internal reporting. That's it. Simple, clear control over your Docusign envelopes from start to finish.